Welcome to our YouTube channel. On this note, we'll be designing this wonderful art, just a freestyling art using our PowerPoint as usual. Yes, it is the PowerPoint I used, and we'll be merging it with popular video editing, which is CapCut. Let's dive into it. As usual, just come in with your blank slide, and always remember to make it your layout blank. Come in with your rectangle, make sure it's your favorite color, edit it your favorite color. It doesn't cost anything. When I tell you PowerPoint can do wonder, yes, I meant it, and you are going to see the trick involved in using PowerPoint beyond what people think it can be used for. Then carve out this shape. Remember the last video we dropped. By now we should have gotten this from the last video we dropped, just to give us a window to be opened. That's what we are doing here, and I'm very sure you get it from the last video. And if you are not yet to understand what we did, kindly leave a comment and I'll be there to answer you. I inserted the text box just so I can put in whatever text I need to put. On this one, it is welcome to Olanua restaurant. I don't know. It's like I want to start selling food, where food is a business that can never go down. Maybe I'll give it a try some days, but not now. I have a big project at hand and God is helping me. All right, after you do this, format it, make it look good, just like you're seeing here. Then the next you want to do is to duplicate the slide. Going to duplicate the slide and bring in all the items you want to use. All the items you want to use. This time around is fried rice, chicken, and plantain. We want to introduce to people, which is one of our continental dishes we serve at Olanua restaurant. Isn't that funny? And that's lovely though. So I said to format the background to look a bit warm. I don't want, because white is coming on it, so I need the white to also be visible. So I said to format the background. Then one after the other, I place all the elements in one after the other. The plate, the fried rice, the potato, the plantain rather, and the chicken. But before then, we need to open for all to see, and we need to tell them everything we are selling. We offer continental and local dishes. So in case you want to order for the next one, remember Olanua restaurant. Don't worry, we'll be there to serve you. We'll be there to serve you. Just mention it and you are being served. All right, get back to it. Then you open the window and adjust every element you have accordingly. Adjust it accordingly. Just do it step by step, step by step. Whatever you see here is what I actually did, step by step. So I have to create a lot of slides, a close window, open window, insert objects, just so I can arrive at what you saw at the beginning. And that's where we are going to. At this junction now, I need to delete this because it is not meant for this slide. Then I go in with all the elements, which is super. All right, the plate, the chicken, and every other thing. And even I give it a write up, insert the text saying continental dishes and what we have in one of the continental dish, which is the fried rice, plantain, and I think I like jollof rice. Fried rice, plantain, and chicken. Oh, I'm craving for this already. aside designing. I think I'm craving for it. Then we go in with our text to showcase what we have in. Then the next we want to do is to duplicate the slide and close up the window for this segment. Just to close up the window for this segment, as you can see, just take your time, close the window, and I'm sure you'll be very, very okay. You see that line you are seeing, that window line you are seeing, you are still going to get it off, which is our outline. You're still going to get it off. Just bear it in your mind that it's something that will go away. Then, having done that, duplicate the slide again and come in with every other element you want to use for to showcase again. And this time around is one of the local delicacy from the southwest of Nigeria, which is amala, ewedu, gbegiri, and with assorted meat. With assorted meat. I want to believe you are enjoying this just the way you are going to enjoy our meal in our restaurant. So kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you. Just want to say the little love we've seen from you, it's awesome. We love you and we believe you can do more. We believe you can do more. And also click the notification button so that you'll be one of the first to see our video whenever we drop them. Okay, going with every element. How what it's looking so nice and bringing the text to tell what you are selling. This is just a random video I decided to pick up. I decided to pick this up and it was fun. Well, it was fun doing this. Very, very fun doing this. And the next thing is just wanna close the window. After which you insert all this, you close the window and you create another slide, and that slide is going to be the last for the purpose of this ad. It's going to be the last for the purpose of this ad. And I took away welcome to Olanua restaurant and I changed it to you will always ask for more. And I'm sure in our restaurant you always ask for more. I can bet you. I'm a good cook. In case you don't know, I'm a good cook and I promise I'm going to deliver as expected. Then tap your F5 on your keyboard just um, to have a view of what you have done. You see, the line has gone off, and look at what we have. This is the end result. Isn't this wonderful? Isn't this good? Just try as much as possible to try this on your own, and I believe that you will get it right and you will get more customer while trying this. Thank you for staying tuned for today's episode. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.